In this tutorial, we will make simple 3D objects using Blender application commands. Very quickly, I will tell you a series of Blender commands to get started. You can zoom in and out on the screen by turning the middle mouse button down and up. Also, by pressing the middle button, you can rotate in the scene, and by holding the Shift button, you can move in the scene. To move objects in the Blender, you can move objects on different axes from the lever or press the G key. To do this, after pressing the G key, you must select one of the axes, such as X, Y or Z. These rotation vote rules are also possible, and as you can see in the video, you can rotate in different braces with the help of the rotation lever or pressing the R button. To change the scale of objects in different directions, you have to change the scale option or press the S button and select the desired direction. To create different objects, we have to go to the Mod Edit tab. There are two ways to do this: either select it from the toolbar or enter the menu by pressing the Tab button. In this section you can access vertex, edge and face. You can select them by clicking on each one or pressing the 1, 2, 3 buttons. In the following video, we will show you how to make changes to the shape with different commands. Add lines. You can create the line by selecting the desired edge and pressing the Ctrl and R buttons. After one click, you can create the line by moving the mouse. You may want to create multiple edges at once. To do this, after pressing the Ctrl and R buttons, you have to move the middle mouse click to create the desired number. Another way to create lines is to use the knife option, which you can manually create by pressing the K button and clicking on the shape and press Enter key. To do this, you must select the desired polygon and then pull it out or in by pressing E button and pressing buttons in different directions. Now we want to create a smaller polygon inside the polygon at the top level of the mesh. To do this, press I button and move the mouse. Now let's make this box with the same commands. To create a new mesh, press the Shift and A buttons and select Cube Mesh from the menu. There are other shapes in this menu that we will work with one by one. We make this box using the extruded command and inset command. Remember, you must push for extrude E button and inset I button. Now we want to make this chair. In this case, we will get acquainted with a new command, and that is the bridge command. To select all the points, we change the view to wireframe and move the points. By selecting the two desired polygons and selecting the bridge option, we connect them. This way we can make different holes in the objects. This time we start with a plane and move the lines using extrusion. Then select the desired edge to create a curve in the mesh. Press the Ctrl button and the B button to control the value by moving the mouse and increase or decrease the number of edges by moving the middle mouse click. You can also do this by right-clicking and selecting the bevel option. To thickness, go to the Object Mode tab and select Solidify from the menu on the right. And reach the desired shape by increasing or decreasing the thickness. In the following videos, we will move on to a project-based approach based on the capabilities we have learned so far. Please subscribe and support us. Thanks for watching the video.